We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The Hsinchu Hakka Dance Troupe, 新竹客家舞蹈团, brings together a group of young people who are passionate about the Hakka culture, theater, and dance. They work together hoping to preserve the culture with their determination. Their dances bring out traditional Hakka lifestyles, hence creating a local feel using forms of traditional dances from minorities in mainland China, modern Western dances, postmodern dance styles, wushu, and Chinese opera. For their music, they combine the rhythm of language and sounds, allowing their emotions to be brought into their work. The Hsinchu Hakka Dance Troupe knows that in order for the preservation of the Hakka culture to be achieved, it would have to depend on the younger generation to be willing to learn and inherit the tradition. The most important thing is the support and the encouragement of the audience, because that is the most vital motivation for them to continue the preservation of their culture. Hey, welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. 我係 Joseph Lin.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
是对吗？我讲错了，对不对？
你已经带广东话了，
我就知道了，我就觉得矮黑啦，哎呦，真是的。I gotta do this right one day, okay? I'm confusing Cantonese and Hakka for some reason. But anyways, it's our Hakka lesson of the day, and I want to talk about the beach, okay, and about going to the beach because it's summertime and a lot of friends who would like to go to the beach together. 所以想要邀请一些朋友去海边玩啊，这个应该怎么讲？
夏天到了，你想要去海边玩水吗？
热天。
热天
都嘞，哦，
夏天到了。
Summertime is here. Okay, I remember that one. Okay.
你想要去海边搞水吗？
海边有够水，真正水啊！台湾的一些海边真的不错，我跟你讲哦，那个比基尼女郎有够水啊！
搞水那是闽南语漂亮。
你不是
我现在在讲客家话呢。
哦，是这样讲什么？
搞水。
搞水是什么？
玩水。
哦，玩水啊！啊，哦 ，I get it. Because 玩什么就是告嘛 game 嘛。哦，是玩哦。I thought you were talking to me about these bikini girls and stuff, but it's not. Okay. So she was telling me, you know, summertime is here. And let's go to the beach and have fun with all the water over there. So say that again.
热天到了。
热天到了。Summertime is here.
你想要去？
你想要去 Do you want to go?
海边搞水吗？
海边 which is beach. 搞水吗？To play with water. So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
是我太嘎。
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.